Also from Taguig City, Metro Manila, the Philippines, Ayala Malls Market is a 2024 winner in the 11th Asia Pacific Stevie Awards.
Ayala Malls Market won a Silver Stevie Award. Ayala Malls Market is a shopping mall under the Ayala Malls Group, offering shoppers quality stores, restaurants, cinemas, and recreational facilities.
Mabuhay, we're from Ayala Malls Market. We're deeply honored and grateful to receive the award for innovative achievement in diversity and inclusion. We want to extend our heartfelt thanks to the organizer, Asia's TV Awards, and to all the judges. And this event will not be possible with our team lead, John D. Harbin.
Thank you so much. This recognition is for all our PWD entrepreneurs across the country. And as we celebrate our 20th anniversary this year, let's continue supporting our PWD brothers and sisters as they showcase their businesses in our mall. Thank you also to our partner, Puede, precious workers of differently abled enterprise. See you at Market. Thank you.